Hello, my beautiful people. Yo, so guys, gold today. Today, guys, I was expecting gold, guys, to reject around these zones. Around here, I remember I took buys yesterday here. Yesterday, I even gave a signal in my group, in my WhatsApp group, for buys here. We took longs here. I don't remember. I think, yeah, it's around here. And then I was targeting here, this high. We had our stop loss here, but it didn't wake up. Gold just broke out and hit our stop loss, but we managed to recover. We caught the sales again. We caught the sales and then we took it downwards here. Okay, so guys, what I'm seeing on gold, like guys, gold has been playing around. It's been ranging around these zones, guys. You see? So like what I'm seeing the next move on gold, guys. Let me show you what I'm seeing now. What I'm expecting gold to do. Wait, let me do this. Okay, so guys, yeah, this is what I'm expecting gold to do right now. Guys, I'll show you a simple strategy of support and resistance, guys. This is what I use for support and resistance. I use my Fibonacci tool, guys. Here are the settings. Here you can take the screenshot of the settings, guys, and you can also use them also. So this is what was happening on gold, guys. Let me move to an H1 time frame. Let me see what's happening on H1. Maybe H1 will give us a better direction or not. Maybe we can even get a trade, who knows? No, but right now for a trade, I don't think we'll get a trade right now. Yes, guys. So, guys, what I think it will happen, guys, I have two zones, guys. Let me just mark them. Is this a price level, guys? Here. Oh, it's a flag this way. Then around these zones. So, guys, these are the two zones I'm expecting to take buys from. This is where I'm expecting to take buys from, guys. So, no, guys, hey, it's really uncomfortable to sell gold. I really feel uncomfortable when I sold gold, guys. It's better to buy gold than sell it, guys. But we follow the trend, guys. The trend is selling, so we have to sell. Okay, so guys, look, you see gold was playing around here. It broke structure. Let me remove this so that it can be clean. So it was ranging. It was ranging around here, guys. Yeah, it was ranging here. It broke out, then it sold, guys. I'm expecting gold to reject somewhere around here or here at the bottom, guys. So we'll see how the price reacts. But for now, since we are going down, guys, we are looking for sales. So I will take my fib tool from this low then to this high, checking to see where gold can reject again. On the 71 fib level and on the 50. So guys, here, these zones, guys, can be my selling zones, guys. I'll wait for gold. Maybe gold can do this, guys. Gold can gold can come here, change character, or create a head and shoulder, and then drop, guys. So these are the zones I'm expecting to see gold to reverse from. Same here, guys. I'm expecting the same thing, guys, for gold to come here in these two zones, guys. So we'll watch those zones also. So guys, you must mark those zones, the zones exactly the way I marked it, guys. So you can check it out together and see what happens. So guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Please subscribe to the channel, guys, so that it can grow, and set your notification so that when I post a video, it can notify you, guys. So this is one of the places I expect gold to reverse here, guys. And then guys, I'll also make a video of entry levels. You know, guys, this I'm still new on this YouTube channel thing, guys. So don't worry, guys. I'll also make another video, guys. I know the channel is still small, only 8 subscribers, but guys, it will grow. So these are the zones I'm expecting gold to buy from. This is where I'm looking at. But for now, guys, I'm not buying gold. Whatever it does, I will not buy it, guys. I'll just wait for price to reverse and come here. That's where the first zone I'll look for. It's here, guys. And when I enter, I look for something like this on a smaller time frame. Like right now, I'm on the 1 hour time frame. I go to the 15 minutes. I wait for price break structure to the downwards. Then comes back and change character around here, and then comes back to the order block or supply zone or what. Then buy. So guys, I'll make my video on my entry levels, guys. So guys, let's watch gold, guys, and see what happens, guys. So I hope it makes sense. If you don't understand anything, guys, you can comment here, and then you can comment on which video must I make, and then I will make that video and see if I can explain it better, guys. But for now, this is all I have on gold, guys. So yes, guys, I'll make another an entry video so that everyone can understand what's going on, guys. But if now you don't understand this setup right now, just comment, and then I'll try to make a simpler video so that you can understand what I'm talking about. Thank you, guys.